Hi, in this video, I'll be going through our course of a chat agent with on-chain memories. First, let's head over to Chromia Learn. learn.chromia.com. AI with Chromia, chat agent. This is the course. There's an overview. There's a little video of what it's going to look like. There's a repo. We can go directly to set it up and cloning the repo. Let's go into the folder and open up a dedicated VS Code here. Okay, install dependencies. Already we get some errors. Now, I know from experience that on some setups, NPM is going to work. On others, it will not. If I go back and check out the repo, I think to recall the README here is talking about using bun as installer. I don't know if I have it actually. I have it. Anyway, you can install it from here and use bun instead of npm. You should be good to go. I have experienced also on some setups that you need to use yarn. Try whatever works for you. npm, bun, yarn. All right, let's get back. We installed dependencies. API key.env file. There should be here, sample. Let's copy that one and change the file name so we have a .env file. We are suggested XAI. Apparently, I am out of credits on XAI. Let's see some other options. Grok. Let's try Grok. API key. Yes, I'm human. And save the .env file. What else do we need to do? We need to change the base URL in agent services OpenAI. Let's do that. There we go. And we need to update the model. Agent config YML. Here's a model. And also in agent tools memory. Here, this looks like a value we can update. Update the base URL, update memory. Yes, I think we got all the updates. Test your setup. Let's see if it works. CHR node start. I usually use the wipe just to be sure that I start from fresh. And it looks like we have a local node running now. And there's a user interface. Optional, but let's run it. I'm using bun instead of npm, so let's continue doing that. Bun run UI. Let's see what it does. It looks like it's installing, so seems we're on the right path. And what happened here? Build failed. Cannot find events. Let's try again. Okay, that was a bit weird. I literally just tried twice. The first time it failed, but the second time it looks like it's working. I don't know why that happened. If it works, let's fingers crossed that we will make it to the end with everything working. Let's see. What else have we got? Start the AI agent. Again, we're using bun, run, dev. What should we call it? Lucy, benevolent. Okay, it looks like we have an agent going. There's a link. We can follow this link. And this is the interface that we started in the second step. We have it here. We can see the activity. We can see some of these memories that it stores on chain. And we can try and interact with it. And we can see how the responses and thoughts it has, how it propagates, and what it actually stores on chain, short-term and long-term memories. I don't know why it would know how it works, but let's see what it says. It's glad everything is running smoothly. That's good. And it's being modest, saying it's a standard AI assistant. All right, this is how it works. We have everything running. We can close it down. What I do suggest is to continue, explore, and extend. Consider things like the frequency or the overall strategy for storing memories, like what does long-term memory even mean? How is the context stored? Look into the agent, the TypeScript code here. It acts as a middleware between your interactions and how memories are stored on chain. There are many good clues there. Of course, the rel code here has the actual structure of the on-chain memories. Check it out, familiarize yourself with it. If you change anything here, if you update anything in this part of the code, this is why I recommended the wipe option earlier that we talked about. When you start a local node, it can be useful as anything you update here is actually changing the underlying database structure. Try it out, break things, don't worry about it. See for yourself what exciting stuff you can build on Chromia. And I'll see you in the next video.